Pivots, pivots, pivots. We are back again with another pivot drill. Today I have my beautiful group skate class, as always. Shout out to them for sticking in with me. So check this out. I have a pivot drill, but we're going to be moving. That means rolling. So if you're a beginner skater, I would advise you to sit this one out. But y'all are grown, do what you like. All right, we're gonna be working our way up, starting off low, and then working our way up. Let's get into it. So before I actually show y'all this drill, I need to break it down, okay? We need to break it down step by step. Before I show y'all the first step, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps YouTube know that this is a great video. This is a place for skaters, and it pushes out there to more skaters. So share the knowledge, share the wealth, like the damn video. All right, here we go. First tip, well not tip, but first exercise that we have to do is we have to learn how to prep, pivot, okay? So that is going to be the first step. Actually, I'll teach you the step and then we'll just do it rolling, okay? So for right now, we're just gonna do a 180. So you're gonna step with your right skate. Your right skate is going to step, boom, and then you're going to actually rotate your body to the left, okay? So you're just gonna do a 180. Now, when you do this, you're gonna leave your right skate out in front and your left skate, your left skate is gonna be out in front, your right skate is gonna be in the back, like this, okay? Now check this out. When you do this pivot, you don't want your wheels to come way off the ground. You don't want that, right? Because you're actually spinning when you do that. You kind of want them to scoot, boom. That way you have more control over your turn, all right? So here, let's try that super, super slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step, turn, okay? And when you do this, make sure that when you land, you bend your knees, okay? These are your shock absorbers. If you don't bend your knees, if you know how to do it, you don't necessarily have to bend your knees as much, but this is just gonna help y'all level everything out. When you do actually turn and you bring all your weight down, it helps balance everything, all right? So here we go, super, super slow again. So right skate is going to step, boom, turn. Good, good. Now, nope, face this way, face this way. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna turn back that way, okay? So from here, we're gonna step, bomb. You actually did opposite. That was good though. All right, so we're gonna use the right skate to prep, and then we're gonna turn to the left. So from here, super slow, step, bomb. Cool? Great. Now guess what we have to do? We have to do the other skate. I can hear y'all complaining right now. Whoa, that's my bad leg. Yeah, I know, I get it. Same thing. With the left, you're going to prep. Now this time, instead of turning to the right, you actually go, like, shit. I'm getting my right and my left. You're gonna step with your left, but you're gonna turn to the right, 180, bomb. Good, try it again. Left skate is gonna step, bomb, turn to the right, bomb. Good, now everyone, stay this way, yep. Now, oh, no, Tiff, you can relax. You can relax. There you go. All right. All right, so same thing. We're gonna step with the left, okay? Step with the left, bomb, turn to the right, boom, okay? That's the first step. We have to make sure that we feel comfortable doing that. If you do not feel comfortable doing that, the rest is gonna be in shambles. So now the next step, this is going to be the second pivot. So we just went right skate first. So we just went prep, right? We turn to the left, bomb. Now guess what? We have to do one more turn, but we're also gonna turn to the left. This time, your weight is gonna be over your right skate, and then your left skate is going to lead like this, okay? So I want you to notice something. I want you to notice how my hips rotate before I actually turn, okay? So what did we just do? We just prep this way, boom. So watch, I want you to watch how my hips turn. Good. Your hips should turn first and then the rest of your body, okay? So let's try that, super, super slow, and then we'll add it to a beat. So right skate is going to step, bomb, pivot, pivot. All right, is that making sense? Let's try it again. So from here, And while you're doing this, you can kind of go at your own pace, just to make sure that you have it. So right skate, step, pivot, pivot. All right. Now let's try it to a beat. So I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, step, pivot, pivot. Okay? Because the reason why you want to hit it that fast is because normally when you're skating to a song, to an actual beat, that's how fast the pivots are going to be. All right? And let's just skate into some like old school R&B. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, pivot, pivot. All right? Let's run out again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. Good, ladies, good. Cool, cool, cool. How y'all feeling about that? Good? How y'all feeling about that? Okay? Listen, if y'all are having a terrible time, y'all need some help, book a lesson, diamondskates.com. Check it out. All right, now we have to do the other leg, right? So with your left, now your left is going to do the prep. So your left is going to do the prep. Bomb, you're going to turn to the right. Bomb. Now, same pivot as the other way, okay? This time your right skate is going to lead. Your weight is going to be over your left skate. Rotate your hips and your arms first. Bomb. Make sense? Let me do that again, slow, super, super slow. Left skate is going to step first. So you prep, bomb, do your little pivot, bomb, rotate, bomb. Cool? Now let's hit it to a beat. Same beat, okay? So I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. Cool? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. All right, all right, all right. If you notice, we're automatically rolling. That's gonna happen. It's gonna happen because you're actually pushing. This little prep right here automatically kind of gets you rolling. So you push, bomb, bomb. All right, so here, same thing to a beat, and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. Good, 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 good. All right, let's try, let's actually try them rolling, okay? So, now what we're gonna do the same exercise, but we're gonna be doing it rolling, okay? All right, so I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, then we'll step with our right, okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. Good. Look at y'all. Okay, okay, okay. Look at y'all. All right, so let's not do it on a turn. So let's do it on a straightaway. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna do our left, okay? So, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, bomb, bomb. Good, good. How are we feeling? All right, now, here's what we have to do. We have to put those two things together. All right, now this is kind of where it gets a little complex because there's actual rhythm involved, okay? Because to be on the same turns at the same time, we have to bounce at the same time, okay? So what we need to learn how to do first is we need to learn how to bounce on to a beat together. So I'm gonna put on some music. I'm just gonna show you how you should bounce, just standing here, okay? So we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce. You notice the knees bending, okay? Bounce, 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 bounce. So this right here is the bounce that you want while you're doing your little pivot combo, okay? Cool. All right, now that we have that, let's actually go through what the pivot combo is. Let's do it on a straightaway because we'll have more space. All right, so since we all feel more comfortable going with our right skate, let's start with our right skate, okay? So the combination is this, okay? So you're gonna go right skate, step, turn, turn, kick, kick, Nope, I lied. Yes, yep. That's what I said. I lied. I was just checking on them. Make sure y'all had it. What you mean? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, turn, turn. Step, step, turn, turn. Why am I fucking that up? I'm fucking that up. Okay, so it's step, turn, turn. Step, step, turn, turn. Okay, so after your 2 pivots, you have 2 beats that you're gonna bounce on. Let's just do that.
Okay.
And then stop. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, turn, turn. Step. All right, here. Oh, actually, I've got a good idea. Let's do step, turn, turn. Step, turn, turn. You guys got that? Y'all clocking that? And 5, 6, 7, step. Step, bounce, bounce. Step, bounce, bounce. Step, bounce, bounce. Step, bomb, bomb, good. Step, bomb, bomb, good. All right. Same thing. Now we're gonna do it to the left, okay? Same little drill. So now you're gonna step with your left this time. Here we go. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, step. Step, bomb, bomb. Step, bomb, bomb. Step, bomb, bomb. Step, bomb, good. Bomb, bomb, good, good. All right, so check this out. Really quick, if you're stuck, go back down a level. That's why I create these levels. I don't care if you can do all of them and rush through them, right? I want you to feel comfortable doing them and understand exactly what you're doing. So if you need to go down a step, if you're just here, if you're still on that level, stay there until you feel good. Now, let's put the entire combination together, yeah? So super slow, you're gonna start with your right. So you're gonna go step, turn, turn, step, step, turn, turn. Step, step, turn, turn. Step, step, turn, turn. I want y'all to notice something while we're doing this little combination. Notice how the knees are constantly bouncing, okay? That's super important because that actually helps you prep to go into your pivots and also keep you on beat, right? So I want y'all to notice that. So I'm gonna try to call it out this time so that y'all can get it in your brain, because I know watching it, you're probably like, wait, what leg is that? What foot is that? So I'm gonna try to call it out. So starting with the right first, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, right, pivot, pivot, step, left, pivot, pivot, step, right, pivot, pivot, step, left, pivot, pivot, step, bomb, 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 good, 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 good. All right, let's do that to a beat though. Here we go, and 5, 6, 5, 6 with the right, here we go. Step, bomb, bomb, step, step, bomb, bomb, step, step, bomb, bomb, boom, boom, bomb. Good job, ladies. Good. Good, 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 good. All right, y'all. Well, listen up. That is it on that pivot drill combination. Hopefully y'all learned something. If not, keep coming back, keep grinding, keep practicing. All right, now if y'all do enjoy this type of interactive content, leave the word pivot down below. All right. Thank you to my group skate class. We'll catch y'all in the next. Oh, like the damn video. Stop playing. Y'all taking all the knowledge and y'all ain't supporting. Also subscribe to the channel. Peace out, y'all.